The Campaign for Historic Trades Opportunities page functions as both a list and an interactive calendar where you can search for jobs, workshops, and events based on tags or locations. Whether you're looking to attend or promote an event in the historic trades, the Campaign's Opportunity page is a great resource. If you have an opportunity you'd like to share, go to historictrades.org and click the Opportunities tab. Then click Submit an Opportunity. Then enter information about your event. Let's walk through the process of submitting a workshop. This process is similar to submitting a conference or class. For this example, we'll submit a beginner-level blacksmithing workshop from the Peters Valley School of Craft. Postings are submitted as events, therefore event title should be the name of the workshop. This one is titled Beginning Blacksmithing Workshop. Event description asks for the details of the event. This box should include an overview of the workshop, a schedule, an agenda, all required materials. You can also add any additional information you feel necessary for an attendee to know here. If this is a multiple-day workshop, please include the start and end time of each day. Next, enter the workshop start and end time here. This workshop begins November 2nd and ends November 3rd. This is a 2-day workshop that runs from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. each day. So we'll enter that the workshop begins on November 2nd at 9 a.m. and ends November 3rd at 5 p.m. You can choose to add an event image, but it's not required. Next, assign a category to your posting. You can select multiple pre-existing categories that correspond with the nature of your posting. Since this is a workshop, we'll use the workshop category. Utilizing the tags feature can help others find opportunities based on their skills or interests. It's recommended to have 2 to 3 tags per posting. So for this one, we'll use the tags blacksmithing and workshop. The venue is the physical location where the workshop will take place. First, search the venue name to ensure that they don't already exist in the system. This workshop will be held at the Peters Valley School of Craft. I can see that they already exist in our system, so I will just select that. But if you don't see your venue, just enter its name and press Create and provide all requested information. The organizer section is separate from the venue. It's who prepares or presents the workshop, which is not always the same as the venue. In this case, the Peters Valley School of Craft is presenting the workshop, so we'll select their name here. If you don't see your organizer listed, then type the name and press Create to add all required information. To add a link to a page with additional information about the workshop, this will be presented at the top of the page once it's approved. This isn't a paid opportunity, so we'll write none here. Add an email that the campaign can reach out to regarding your posting. This address will not be public. It will only be used if the campaign has any questions or concerns about your posting. For the point of contact email address, add an email that an attendee can reach out to regarding the workshop. This email will be public. This workshop costs $475, so we will add that here. If a workshop, class, or conference is free, then enter a 0 in this box. Once all fields have been appropriately filled, read the terms of submission at the bottom of the page. Click on the box to agree to the terms of submission, and then click Submit Event, and you're done.